Yeah, dear student, welcome back to the accountancy class. And our revision is going on. And in the chapter 1, today we are going to study the topic past adjustment. Okay. So, what are past adjustment? Past, as the name indicate, past means old. So, sometimes what happen after the preparation of final account of the partnership, means preparation of profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. It comes to know that there are certain errors and omissions occurred in the balance sheet. There are something which are not provided, which has to be provided, and which are provided, which are not supposed to be provided. Clear? In these things are called past adjustment. So instead of altering the whole final accounts of the partnership, it is better to adjust it through with the capital account. So that thing is called past adjustment, and we are going to make with the help of analytical table. Clear? So how you are going to draw? I will let you know over here. First draw an analytical table and prepare each column of debit and credit for separate partner. Clear? For example, here there are three partner A, B, C. So prepare individual column, debit and credit column. In order to make the adjustment. This table is called analytical table. Clear? Okay. Now for example, in this case, there is an error of omission of interest on capital. Now how we are going to do adjustment with this table? So for example, interest on, there is an error of omission of interest on capital. This means interest on capital is to be provided to the partner, but it has not been provided. Clear? So interest on capital is the income. So first put it down on the credit side of all the partner. Clear? First you have to write on the credit side, because this is the income of partner. If it has been given, it would come into the credit side of partner's capital account. Now this has been not given, so it's a loss. So loss is always going to be debited. Clear? Make the debit and afterward find out the net credit. This is the case for income. Now consider a case for interest on drawing. Now interest on drawing, if the firm has forgotten to charge interest on drawing from the partner, okay, no problem. So it's an expense of the partner. So expense will come on the debit side. Clear? Because this is an expense of the partners and income of the firm. So expense will always come on the debit side. So first write it on the debit side. Now in order to adjust it, write it on the credit side. Afterward adjust it and pass the final entry. In this way, analytical table is prepared for every type of income and for every type of expense. This is the simple formula. Now we solve one example. Okay. See one example here. I will upload the photo. There are two partners A and B. They are sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. Balance sheet is given. Now profit 30,000 for the year ended 31st March 2016 was divided between the partners without allowing for interest on capital at the rate 12% and salary to A at the rate 1,000 per month. During the year A withdrew 10,000 and B withdrew 20,000. Okay, very good. Now in this question, even your previous topic will also be covered. That is called interest on partner's capital. So see here, the closing capital is given. So in order to find out interest on capital, first we have to find out opening capital. Clear? So first we draw the format to find out opening capital. It's a very good question. It will give a revision to your previous topic. And this past adjustment will also be get covered. Calculation of opening capital. capital at end, his capital is 60,000 and B's capital is 20,000. Drawings are given, so first add drawings. That is 10,000 and 2,000. That is 70,000 and 22,000. Less profit. What is the profit? Profit is 30,000 and PSR is 3:2. So distribute this 18,000 and 12,000. Now this we have got capital in the beginning or opening capital. Now on this amount interest is calculated. So IOC at the rate 12%. 6240 and 3360. Now we have calculated the interest on capital by making a table of opening capital. Now we have to do the past adjustment, so we are going to prepare the analytical table for that. So I am erasing this and will draw the analytical table. In the last, prepare a column for firm also in order to have a better, otherwise you have to make P&L appropriation. Now see here one condition is there, profit for the year ended 30,000 was already distributed. This means profit is already credited. So we have to adjust profit also. So we will first write profit on the debit side. Here you will write profit already credited. Write it on the debit side. 30,000 was divided, so 18,000 and 12,000. Whatever comes in the debit of partner's capital account will come to the credit of P&L account. 30,000. Okay. Now interest on capital. This is an income, so this will come to the credit side. That is 6240 and 3360. This will come to the debit side. 9600. salary to A, it's 1000 per month, so this will come to 12,000 for a year. Okay, now profit to be given. $30,000 minus 21,600, so that will near about 8,400. 8,400 is the remaining profit, so that will be distributed in the ratio of 8,400 is to be given in the ratio of 3:2. So that comes to 5040 and 3360. That comes to 5,400. Now we are going to make the total and we'll find out the net effect. Now see, after making the total, the credit side of the A is more. So write here 5280. And debit side of the B is more, that is 5280. So that is our net effect. So B is debit by 5280 and A is credit by 5280. Now we will pass the rectifying entry. Okay? B's capital account debit 5280 to A's capital account. Here you will write the narration being the adjustment made for omission of interest on capital and salary to A now adjusted. In this way you have to solve the numericals and the topic past adjustment. I hope this thing will help you. Thank you. Happy learning.